right, Jane is back. How did things feel after your initial visit?
A good relief.
Yeah?
No pain.
You had no residual soreness?
No, I actually went to work the next day.
You had some sustained relief.
Mm-hmm.
Today, the low back you're feeling a little bit more in the low back.
Yeah.
Got it. How's the rest of everything?
Pretty good.
Neck and upper back?
No pain.
Minimal. And headaches?
No headache. That's the prize.
Yeah, that's awesome, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so we just have a little bit more work to do in the low back. So hopefully we can kind of create some additional separation and take some pressure off those joints and those nerves down there. Ready to go?
Yeah.
That feels good right there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That feels good side to side.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I'm gonna be just above that iliac crest. All right, just work through your breathing, in through your nose, out through your mouth, and just do your best to relax your belly. All right, big breath in. All the way out. That was nice. That may have been better than the first one.
Yeah.
Keep breathing. Relax your legs. So this being the third adjustment, second day,
Yeah.
how did you feel like that differed from the first?
I can feel it more this time.
Yeah? A little bit lower?
Yeah.
Yep. Do you feel like you were any more prepared for it?
No.
No. Yeah, just drum. You okay side to side?
Yes.